I'm Rosie Henry, Rosie's Foundation.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Barbie, here to support my mama's event. Oh my goodness, it's all for charity. Make sure you come to spend your money when you come next time. Everything free.
We have been here in all summer, the lead up to the Rosie Foundation fish fry to give back to the needy in Jamaica. Tell us why you started this initiative.
Actually, my daughter here, she motivated me.
Right.
I remember like over 10 years ago, she used to go in Kingston, Spanish Town, all over and feed the elderly and the disabled. And it was so much joy. And also, she used to go to the school and give away book bags and different school supplies to the children. And she didn't get to do it in a while. She went to Colombia. So that inspired me. She inspired me.
So when did the Rosie Foundation started?
It started 4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Yes, when I decided to go to Jamaica and when I realized how many people were in need, especially the elderly and the disabled.
So that's your primary target, the elderly and disabled?
Yes, and the young kids who are in school who cannot afford to go to school because they are the future.
Right. So what are some of the services that the Rosie Foundation provide to the people of Jamaica?
The Rosie Foundation so far have sheltered many people.
Right.
We have built 7 one-bedroom houses so far, and with this fish fry and with all the donors, hopefully we will be able to do 3 more.
Right. What area in Jamaica are these homes? Do you
St.
know?
Mary.
St. Mary is your place?
I'm not from St. Mary,
Okay.
but I fell in love with St. Mary people.
Okay.
So I do
Good.
St. Mary, Portland.
Yeah, I'm from Portland.
Okay.
All right.
I've done Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, Falmouth, all over, wherever the needs are.
Right.
It's not about knowing people. It's, if that person is in need, that's what we do.
So this question now is for you and your daughter. Why do you think it's so important to give back?
I believe it's better to give than to receive. I see the blessing from God each time I personally give.
Right.
I get it in threefold. So I believe this will be my legacy that
Right.
I will believe in here because I find more joy doing this. For example, my birthday was last week.
Right. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you. And they decided to have a surprise birthday party for me. And when I found out, I asked them not to. I'd rather to do a fish fry that I can get something to give to the needy. Because God has blessed me that I'm not in need. So I want to give it to someone who is in need, not in want.
Right.
I want to give it to someone who is in need and not greedy.
Right. So Barbie, your turn. Why do you think it's important to give back?
Well,
Because your mom says you usually give back in Spanish Town, and you spearheaded this initiative and it inspired her.
Yeah, but to be honest, let's be real. It was my idea, but it was my mother's execution.
Right.
You see how she has all her chefs seasoning the seasonings. So that's the same thing that happened when we were in Spanish Town. Everyone was there. They had the outside cooking pots and the fires out there, and they were cooking it, and the whole community came together. And coming together, you can change the world. So that's the part of it that I really enjoyed, is everyone coming and working on helping each other.
Why did you choose Spanish Town?
Because that's where my granny comes from.
Oh, your grandmother's place.
Yes.
Okay, that's
I went
nice.
to St. Jacob Prep.
Okay, boom, boom, boom. So, what is your vision for Rosie Foundation going forward? You said something earlier about legacy.
Yes, my vision is to reach out to more people who, as I said, who are in desperate need. And I'm going to ask anyone who knows of that person who is really in need, hungry, can't afford medical bills, or whatever the case might be, please reach out to the Rosie's Friendship Foundation, and we will try to assist as much as we can.
And what's the contact number for that?
646-296-0732.
Well, Rosie, congratulations on the great work you're doing to help our beautiful people in Jamaica.
Yes.
And keep up the good work and make sure if when you can't do it anymore, pass on the button to beautiful Barbie here. Let her get back into what she started.
I still do it.
Oh, you still
Just
do it.
tonight, it's not about me.
Yeah,
tonight is about the Roses Friendship Foundation.
Yeah, I get it.
So don't try to put me underneath.
All right, so thank you. I know you're busy and you have things to get back to. All right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, of course, Mr. Genus Avicina's here, alongside, of course, Rosie Friendship Foundation. And as you can see, we're here on location, Rosie Foundation annual charity fish fry. Look over there. Check out over there. Okay, at this time, we put the music down at a lower volume because people are eating and they're talking. All right? It's like one happy family when you come here. You don't want to hear the music too loud so people can't relate to each other.
Right.
So if you turn the camera over there, you can see people relating and talking to each other and having a great time. You see the family over there? And the Concourse family. And them the left on Rosie now. It no matter where we're there, the Concourse family after that among many others. So I must say to you, we've been here from early this morning and it has been a great journey. People are just coming in, coming out, stepping out with bags and bags and bags, plates and plates and plates and plates on top of plates of food, and everybody just come out and them just having a great time. Refreshment, the food, everything is so wonderful. So I'm not going to talk too much. Of course, Mr. Genus Avicina's here is Rosie Foundation DJ. What else am I?
A good friend. A genuine friend also.
Genuine friend.
And he's a big part of this foundation.
All right.
Everything he does, he gives his proceeds to the JAHJAH Foundation, Roses Foundation, and whoever else who's in need. He gives it. So I want to thank you, Mr. Genus. Continue doing your good work.
No, I want to thank Rosie Foundation for what Rosie Foundation is doing for the island.
Right.
Trust me, Rosie Foundation is doing a remarkable job for the less fortunate in the islands right now. We took some time off. I went to Jamaica last year, and Rosie and Friends Foundation shipped down a couple of containers down there, and they distribute, I mean, clothes, food, I mean, you name it, back to school supplies, I mean, you name it, for the least fortunate back home. And she ended up staying extra time in Jamaica because she definitely, this is her passion, this is her heart. She loves what she does. So she ended up extended her stay in Jamaica just to help the people.
You get a mission accomplished.
Back home. And you know what happened? You see, she has a passion for people who are not able to help themselves. You know, for example, people are mentally challenged. You know, people who lose a limb or two are not able to help themselves. That's her heart. All right? So why help people who can help themselves already?
Exactly.
Target and the needy. And that's what Rosie and Friends Foundation, that's what
Exactly.
Hi, how are you? I'm sorry, I'm getting ready to leave. I didn't mean to stop.
Okay, and you could let them know your purpose of you being here.
Hey Rosie, how are you? I am so proud of you. I remember when we met and we spoke, and I said to you that you're going to build many houses. And I said to you, I said, Rosie, you could do it.
Yes.
When you were giving away your food for free and all that kind of stuff, I said, no, you need to charge.
Yes.
And I said to you that you're going to not only build one house, that you're going to build many houses. And here you are. Rosie did her first fish fry at my house.
Yes,
Yes, and I'm so happy to see what you're doing. People don't understand our calling. This calling is not for everybody. Being an entrepreneur and being somebody that loves the poor people and give back to the poor people is an amazing calling, and it's not everybody that have that calling. And I'm glad that God called you to do that.
And
oh my God.
And what is your name? What's your name,
My
ma'am?
name is Vernice. Yes. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and your family, and that your pocket will never be empty.
Thank you so
Amen.
much. Thank you. Thank
Take
you.
it.
She
Love
was the
you.
person who encouraged me to do a fish fry.
That's good.
Because I was not interested in doing fish fry. Yes. But to do it for the needy, I said okay. And I want to thank you special again.
You're welcome, honey. Love you.
Michael Williams from the Outside Lounge, the Natural Fountain.
Right, so we're here at Rosie's Foundation Fish Fry
Yes.
to raise some money for the benefit of the people of Jamaica.
Right.
Why was it so important for you to be here tonight?
Well, it's all about giving back, helping the people of Jamaica. And that is very important to me. It's a cause that I met Rosie a couple of years ago and she introduced me to this foundation. And from ever since, I've been an advocate pushing for Rosie Foundation to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And with that, I donate from the Outside Lounge to the foundation because I believe in the cause. I want to see foundation like this help our people in Jamaica. And that's what it's all about, man.
I want to thank you for all that you're doing.
Yes.
For donating to different charities.
Right.
And me personally, from the Rosie Foundation, want to say thank you to Michael.
Right.
The Outside Lounge, the Outside
Yeah,
Lounge.
man, outside lounge there, Genius, outside lounge.
Family outside land represent Rosie Foundation, JAHJAH Foundation. You know, it's a real connection.
If I didn't believe in a foundation, in your cause, I wouldn't have donated to it. Because I believe in it. And I want to see the
And you
foundation
see
go higher.
also, it's transparent. You see what
Yes,
we're
yes, I
doing.
see exactly
See
what
what
you're doing.
we are doing.
We put our money behind things that
Thank
we
you.
see
Thank
how the money is being spent.
Thank you so
And
much.
that's what the eye collection, the Outside Lounge, the Natural Fountain, that's what we do. We donate it to causes that help our people in Jamaica, help them destroy the bill
Thank you
and so on and so forth. That's why we're here also.
I just appreciated coming here to support another event, Rosie, for definitely. I watch her on Facebook, see her, everything that she done. Even when I went to Jamaica this year on a cruise, this year we went on a cruise? Or last year, I can't remember.
This year.
Right.
This year.
We saw a couple of the people who should actually give the funds to.
Right,
And
when
it
we
was
stopped in
amazing
Jamaica.
when we stopped
Right.
in Jamaica. And they were there waiting for her just to get off the ship,
That's-
to give her, right. And
That
she
speaks
did,
to
yeah.
the transparency
Right,
of Rosie
exactly.
Foundation.
And she do send her back videos and stuff when she's doing her
Yep.
stuff. And I know I get them because she send them to me and I'm like,
I get them too.
I tell you one thing, her Rosie is so good. Rosie go down in hills and valley with slippers on. And I had to tell her, Rosie,
Yep.
where's the sneaker? I had to Zell her money. I said, Zell, I'm going to Zell you money for. She said, no, don't Zell me no money. I don't need no sneakers. Zell me extra money for the foundation. And that's what I did. So she's doing a damn good job. People say charity. She's definitely doing a charity work. It's not going nowhere else but those people. I see for myself. I
do
don't know about
too.
anybody else. So I know I see it and I see the people. There's a lady in a wheelchair that don't have no leg, and basically she was waiting on the cruise outside at the ship, waiting for Rosie to get her off.
Wow.
And there was such a line to get off of the cruise. I had to go over to her. And the only reason I know that lady is from Rosie video. And I said, oh, I know you.
Yeah.
And she said, who? I said, from Rosie. She said, I'm waiting for her.
Transparency.
So what Rosie is doing is factual. It's not no fake stuff, okay? So I can say I vouch for it, for
Big up to the
sure.
Rosie Foundation.
Yes, big
Contact
up all
Rosie
the
if you
time,
want to
for sure.
donate, and please donate,
Right.
donate. Help one, and that person will help somebody
Each
else.
one teach
And
one,
go on
each
it,
one
go on
help
it, go on
one.
it, go on it, go on it, like that. So,
Even if you
peace
can't
out.
make it here, sell her.
Yeah.
You know, cash app,
This is-
check, whatever it is. It's a donation.
It doesn't stop right here.
Right, it doesn't stop right here. So.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
What are your thoughts on this beautiful initiative here?
I think it's so good that we're a part of an organization that gives back to Jamaica, that supports Jamaica. We are so proud to be a part of it. Rosie's always helping. You see the work that she did. I always said we have a dream. That if all of us that live in America as Jamaicans could just help each other instead of fighting against each other or trying to tear each other down. But if all of us could work together as a team, we being here could help to make Jamaica such a better place.
Okay, well, thanks for the great work.
Thank you.
And thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Oh, you saw me smiling, right? Of course, I'm here doing my music at Rosie Foundation Charity Fish Fry. And when I look and I see JAHJAH Foundation himself, Dr. Trevor Dixon walked in, trust me, man, it's just a moment. This brother, trust me, this brother is a humanitarian individual who believes in giving back. We believe in helping Jamaica, not only Jamaica, just helping people as a whole. And I must say, this is an individual that, trust me, man, it's a role model, and I really, really admire this guy to a great deal. And when you see this guy at Rosie Foundation, you know that he's not only for himself. Not only for JAHJAH Foundation, he extends the love to other foundations as well. So Mr. Trevor, Dr. Dixon, welcome. Welcome to Rosie Foundation Annual Charity Fish Fry. And you know what this is for already, because of course, you know whatever she does is pretty much transparent, and you know what she's doing. I know it's no joke, that's why you're here. If it was a bluff, you wouldn't have been here. You like people who are serious and people who are on a mission and doing the right thing. So again, we welcome you and we appreciate you. Wonderful love you're here, man. Trust me, man. You make it happen. You make it work.
Well, Ricky, I heard you mention Rosie Foundation. You know, she has supported my events. Not on her business sometimes to support my events. So that says volumes of the kind of person she is. And when you come here and you see the amount of people that are here, it's quite evident.
This has been like this all day. We started from like 12, from earlier than 12. Yeah. Actually, because people from far away, they deliver. My wife did a lot of delivery this morning. Yes. Right, so it's even earlier than that.
Well, I'm happy to support Rosie Foundation. Ricky Genius is on board, and you know you have integrity in this thing, so we're on board. JAHJAH Foundation is on board. We work together to get things done in Jamaica, and it's all about Jamaica. It's all about the underserved and those less fortunate in Kingston or wherever in Jamaica they are. Rosie Foundation, remember that foundation, JAHJAH Foundation. Ricky Genius, have you seen us?
And you know what, man? You know, it was today, this morning, I heard Rosie called up some of her friends. Cause you know this is happening today already. You know what she's talking about? November 4th. She's talking about JAHJAH Foundation Masquerade Gala. November 4th, and telling her friends that they have to be there. So you know, I don't think Rosie actually saw you yet, but you know when she does see you, she's gonna be real excited.
Just should be, because it's about partnership, it's about trust, it's about building bridges so we can do better for Jamaica.
And check out the love, look over there, it's all love.
Well, you know, one person can't fix the problems in Jamaica. It's going to take trust amongst many different organizations, and Rosie Foundation, Ricky Genius Entertainment. Have you seen us? You see us here, JAHJAH Foundation, November 4th, and we will continue to support these initiatives in the community. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.
Boom, boom, boom. JAHJAH Foundation, Rosie Foundation, Ricky Genius Entertainment. Trust me, we're doing it. It's going to be, for the future, it's going to be a lot more to come. I tell you that. We're only getting stronger and stronger. It's all about teamwork when different foundations, different organizations come together as one to make it work, aiming for one goal. Trust me, it's going to happen.
Better Jamaica for everyone.
Boom, boom, boom.
I have to work today, but I had to be here.
Thank you for coming. Really appreciate you.
Always support your team.
Yes,
family thing, you know.
Yes, and I will definitely support your thing.
No, you have to ask. You never said that. That's not man.
And when is your thing?
No matter, you don't say it.
They plan it. That's what I'm polite. This is Dr. Dixon that does JAHJAH Foundation.
No, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
A rich man just walking. How much today, man? Beautiful ladies. Good evening.
Good evening.
Why was it so important for you to be here tonight?
Wanted to support.
Yeah?
Yes.
Distinguished sir, how are you tonight?
How are you?
Well, you know, anytime I see anywhere, I know it's a big thing is happening. Because you're a diplomat.
But may I follow your footstep?
Why was it so important for you to be here tonight, sir?
Well, you know, there's a Rosie Foundation,
right.
And you know, when you have somebody's doing good things, you know, for people who is in need, you have support. You know?
Well, we appreciate you coming out to support, you know. And we know you have a legacy in New York. You do a lot of work.
Well, yeah.
You know, good work. So we appreciate it. Tell the people what's your name.
360, Dancehall 360.
Boom. Boom, boom.
I am them say me a the video man, I don't know. That's how it goes.
Why was it so important for you to support tonight?
Want to award the cause?
That's our home country. Because it's our beautiful country?
Yes.
Okay, well, what's your name?
Yvonne.
Well, thanks for coming out, okay?
Thank you.
Appreciate the support. Pleasant good evening, nice lady. How are you?
I'm good.
What is your name?
Susie.
Susie, why was it so important for you to be here tonight?
It's always good to support a worthy cause.
Right, and to give back to you're Jamaican?
Yeah.
You sound like you're from a foreign country. You don't sound like Jamaican.
Me a Jamaican.
Ah, there you go now. You're sounding right now. Well, thanks for coming on.
Yeah, every time.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Hi,
Nice
how
lady.
are you? How
Beautiful,
are you?
nice, beautiful lady from Portland.
Yes, how
How
are
are
you?
ya?
I'm good.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Nicola.
Nicola, why was it so important for you to be here tonight?
Well, Rosie invited me here, so I decided to leave from work and come over here and support the fish fry.
Well, we appreciate you giving back to our country through this charity here, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night, brother man.
Good night, sir.
How are you?
How you doing?
What is your name, sir?
Paul.
Paul, why was it so important for you to be here?
My friend them invite me over here. So
wanted to give back.
Yeah. Well, I already spent a lot of money over by the bar.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming on. We appreciate you.
No problem.
You have to support, you know?
Right.
Can't just take. You have to give. These are my children.
Right.
We came to support Rosie. Big up and respect, yeah? Much love.
Yeah, man. Respect.
All right?
Yeah,
give.
man.
Always give back. Respect, yeah?
Queens in the building.
Live.
Queens in the building. Remember, culture-wise, we'll joke out the vulture eyes and come back with the ultra prize. You ever hear about money greens, energy Mondays, we are locked down Queens. Money green in the building. The same shirt pretty.
Rich.
Rich and not
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's I got my flight. I had a whole lot of stuff to do, and she got me here. She got me here invested physically in a charity and definitely donated. Charity's an amazing thing. Love it. Love to be a part of this.
So do you feel that you feel very proud of her that she's looking to give back to our beautiful country?
Absolutely. This is something that's been in the work for a while. Like, she's definitely been looking to give back, and this is the perfect avenue to do so. Andre, Rose's son.
Well, I'm really proud and I'm really happy to be a part of it this year. To just be able to help the community. And you know, when you're coming from Jamaica and you understand hard times, you appreciate what you have. So being able to give back is extremely important.
Right.
So I'm excited.
Okay, well, your mother is doing a great thing. I'm sure you're proud of her. I'm proud of her too.
Yes.
All right, so make sure you follow in her footsteps, you know. Make sure you give back too, all right?
I'll take that.
All right, we
But
expect that of you.
tonight is all about my mama, so big up Mama Rose.
All right, come on, big up yourself too, all right?
Thank you.
Things fell off, baby. Always. We're having a blast.
We're having a blast. Rosie Foundation.
Come on, let's have a toast. Let's have a toast to Rosie.
Rosie Foundation from the Congress family.
Yes. All about foundation.
Doing big things for Jamaica, Rosie.
Yes.
Always. Yes.
Congratulations.
Well deserved. Yes. Wonderful.
940.